We hear the sacred place of St. Francis Xavier. 10 years he came and lived in India. A man who was in Paris, intelligent man, intelligent giant, language, teaching, fully involved as a professor. That is life, he thought. He wanted to make life. The only question, you have to save souls. Your soul is important. He joined with Ignatius of Loyola. He humbled himself from his thinking, his wanting, his vision of life to what God wants him. Reach out. And he was not supposed to come. The other one felt sick, so he was sent. He humbled himself. And here, day and night, in one place, they really burned the roof in the night. He humbled himself, faced so many challenges. Only one miracle I want to share with you. When he was in Kanyakumari, the coastal area, he wanted a church to administer sacrament. He asked the local ruler. The local ruler doesn't want to give. So not to just to fool him, I can give you a place of goat skin size, the old goat skin size. So he was humiliated. He humbled himself. Okay, I will pray and accept it. Francis Xavier prayed. The goat skin was brought. The goat skin was spread, extended. God made him great. King wanted to fool him. Ruler wanted to fool him. God made him great. That's the story. Church still exists. St. Francis Xavier Church in Kanyakumari. Yes, dear friend, as we come to the altar of God on this day, where I need to come down, where I need to bend down, where I need to look, whom I need to look, whom I need to reach out. As I said, it is not thinking less of myself, rather myself less, and to do some good. What God wants from me. Mother Teresa says, mother of all virtues, humility. Our founder, St. Peter Julian, says, the first sign of love is humility. First sign of love is humility. And he says, in the Eucharist, Jesus shows the perfection of Eucharist, humility, how he hides himself. Jesus hides himself in the presence of bread to come closer to us.